The wolf lives in highly organized social groups known as packs, where individuals cooperate in hunting, raising young, and defending territory. Each pack typically has a structured hierarchy, and communication between members includes vocalizations such as howling as well as body language. This cooperative behavior allows wolves to take down prey much larger than themselves and survive in a wide range of environments. The orca, also known as the killer whale, is one of the most intelligent predators in the ocean and lives in complex social groups called pods. These animals use coordinated hunting strategies and vocal communication to capture prey, demonstrating advanced cooperation and cultural behavior within their groups. The sleep is not simply a passive state of rest, but an active and highly organized process during which the brain performs essential maintenance and processing tasks. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories by strengthening important neural connections and weakening less useful ones, which helps improve learning and problem-solving abilities. In addition, the brain clears out waste products that accumulate during waking hours through a special system that becomes more active during deep sleep. Without sufficient sleep, cognitive performance declines, emotional regulation becomes more difficult, and long-term health risks increase significantly. The sloth is known for its extremely slow movement, but this behavior is actually a highly effective survival strategy rather than a weakness. Sloths move slowly to conserve energy because their diet mainly consists of leaves, which provide very little nutritional value. Their slow metabolism allows them to survive on minimal energy intake, and their deliberate movements make them less noticeable to predators. Additionally, algae often grow on their fur, giving them a greenish tint that helps them blend into the forest canopy, providing natural camouflage in their environment. The Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and has a powerful gravitational influence that affects many other celestial objects. Its immense gravity helps capture or deflect comets and asteroids that might otherwise travel toward the inner planets, including Earth. Jupiter also has a massive storm known as the Great Red Spot, which has been observed for more than 300 years and is large enough to swallow Earth. The planet is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium and does not have a solid surface like Earth. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world and can be seen from space due to its enormous size. It is composed of thousands of individual reefs and supports a vast diversity of marine life, including fish, corals, and other organisms. Coral reefs are highly sensitive ecosystems that depend on stable water temperatures and clean conditions, and they are currently threatened by climate change, which causes coral bleaching and disrupts the delicate balance of marine environments. The owl has specialized adaptations that make it an extremely effective nocturnal hunter. Its feathers are designed to allow silent flight, reducing noise as it moves through the air, while its large forward-facing eyes provide excellent night vision. Additionally, owls have asymmetrical ears that help them pinpoint the exact location of sounds, allowing them to detect prey even in complete darkness. The polar bear is specially adapted to survive in extremely cold environments, with a thick layer of fat and dense fur that insulates it from freezing temperatures. Its white fur provides camouflage against the snow and ice, allowing it to approach prey more easily. Polar bears are also strong swimmers and can travel long distances in search of food, primarily hunting seals on sea ice. The kangaroo uses its powerful hind legs not only for movement, but also for defense, delivering strong kicks when threatened. Kangaroos are adapted to life in dry environments and can travel long distances in search of food and water. Their unique reproductive system includes a pouch where underdeveloped young continue to grow after birth. The sea turtle has an extraordinary navigation ability that allows it to travel thousands of kilometers across the ocean and return to the exact beach where it was born. Scientists believe that sea turtles use Earth's magnetic field as a kind of natural map, detecting subtle differences in magnetic intensity and direction. This ability is so precise that even after many years spent wandering the oceans, they can locate their original nesting site with remarkable accuracy, demonstrating a highly advanced biological navigation system. The Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world and moves an enormous volume of water every second. The continuous flow of water has gradually eroded the rock beneath the falls, causing them to slowly move upstream over thousands of years. The butterfly undergoes a remarkable transformation during its life cycle known as metamorphosis, where it changes from a caterpillar into a winged adult. During this process, much of the caterpillar body is broken down and reorganized into a completely different structure, making it one of the most dramatic biological transformations in nature. The Neptune is the farthest known major planet from the Sun in our solar system, and is characterized by extremely strong winds that can exceed speeds of 2,000 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest recorded winds on any planet. Despite receiving very little sunlight, Neptune generates internal heat that drives these powerful atmospheric movements, creating dynamic weather patterns, including massive storms similar to those on Jupiter. The Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the oldest freshwater lakes in the world, reaching depths of more than 1,600 meters and containing about 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. The lake hosts a unique ecosystem with many species that are found nowhere else on Earth, making it an important site for biological and environmental research. The memory is not stored in a single location in the brain, but is distributed across networks of neurons that change their connections and strength over time. This dynamic process allows humans to learn, adapt, and recall information, but also means that memories can be altered or influenced by new experiences. The frog has the ability to absorb water directly through its skin rather than drinking it in the traditional way, which is why many frogs must live in moist environments to survive. Their permeable skin also makes them highly sensitive to environmental changes, making them important indicators of ecosystem health. The eagle has extremely sharp vision that allows it to spot prey from great distances, sometimes several kilometers away. This exceptional eyesight is due to a high density of photoreceptor cells in the retina and specialized structures in the eye, making eagles some of the most effective hunters in the sky. The camel is uniquely adapted to survive in extremely harsh desert environments where water and food are scarce. Contrary to popular belief, camels do not store water in their humps, but instead store fat, which can be converted into energy when food is limited. They can drink large amounts of water in a short time and tolerate significant dehydration, and their bodies are designed to minimize water loss by producing concentrated urine and dry feces. Their long eyelashes and closable nostrils help protect them from blowing sand during desert storms. The Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature variations in the solar system because it has almost no atmosphere to retain heat. During the day, temperatures can reach hundreds of degrees Celsius due to direct exposure to the sun, while at night temperatures could drop to extremely cold levels. This dramatic difference occurs because there is no atmosphere to distribute heat around the planet, making Mercury a world of intense contrasts. The bacteria are among the most abundant and diverse forms of life on Earth, existing in nearly every environment, including extreme conditions such as deep-sea vents, acidic lakes, and even inside the human body. While some bacteria can cause disease, many are beneficial and play essential roles in processes such as digestion, nutrient cycling, and decomposition. The human body alone contains trillions of bacteria that form a complex ecosystem known as the microbiome, which is crucial for maintaining overall health. The spider produces silk that is incredibly strong and flexible, with some types being stronger than steel of the same thickness. Spider silk is used for building webs, capturing prey, protecting eggs, and even for movement in some species. Scientists are studying spider silk to develop new materials for use in medicine, engineering, and protective equipment due to its unique combination of strength and elasticity. The Iceland is one of the most geologically active regions in the world, located on the boundary between two tectonic plates that are slowly moving apart. This activity results in frequent volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and the formation of geothermal features such as hot springs and geysers. Iceland uses this geothermal energy as a major source of power, making it one of the leading countries in renewable energy usage. The radiation refers to the emission of energy in the form of waves or particles. It can come from natural or artificial sources. While high levels of certain types of radiation can be harmful, low levels are present everywhere in the environment and even within the human body. Radiation plays an important role in medical imaging and treatment, such as in X-rays and cancer therapy. The Greenland is the largest island in the world and is covered by a massive ice sheet that holds a significant portion of Earth's freshwater. This ice sheet is so heavy that it actually depresses the land beneath it, and if it were to melt completely, it would contribute to a substantial rise in global sea levels, affecting coastal regions around the world.